Hello, Mr. Geislehart here, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can explain number 4 on homework 7, which is finding the slope of the tangent line. So the first thing I'm going to do is say, where do I want to find that tangent line at? I want to find it where x is equal to -9, so that means I have to take the limit as x approaches -9. This means that my f of a is just going to be f of -9, and a is -9. So if you do x minus a -9, that will give me x plus 9 on top. Now I'm going to need a lot of room, so I'm just going to write this above this. I start with f of x, which is just x squared minus 11x plus 30, minus, and then in parentheses, I'm going to put a -9 in place of x. So that's -9 squared minus 11 times -9 plus 30. So now I need to simplify that top a little bit. So I do the limit as x approaches -9 of x squared minus 11x plus 3 minus, then I'm going to do everything in my parentheses. So this will be a positive 81, this is a positive 99, and this is plus 30. When I put all that together, I'm going to end up with a I'm going to end up with a positive 210 over x plus 9. So now I'm going to take the limit as x approaches -9 of x squared minus 11x. Now, 330 minus 210 will give me a negative 180 over x plus 9. Now, if I try and put a -9 in for x here, that's going to give me a 0 on bottom, and we don't want that. So I need to factor the top. So the limit as x approaches -9. Now, whatever my bottom is going to have to be one of the factors on top. So that makes it a little bit easier to factor, because now all I have to do is say, what do I multiply a positive 9 by to get a negative 180? Well, the answer is a negative 20, so that's going to be my other factor. So now we have the limit as x approaches -9 of x plus 9 times x minus 20 over x plus 9. Well, now the x plus 9's cancel out, so I'm left with the limit as x approaches 9 of x minus 20, negative 9. So now I can just go ahead and put negative 9 in place of x, and my answer will be negative 29.